Okay, today I'm going to show you. Okay, before I tell it, it's something secret. I'll go there, then I'll tell you. But first, come here. Look at this. They're still little, but they have to grow a little more. But they're still like beautiful, right? Okay, now we just need to go little further up. Now I'll tell what it is. Okay guys, welcome to my dream house. Okay, before that I have to show you this. Okay, here is like a lookout place, or you can call it the balcony or something. Here's some plants and you can like look out all around. There's a kite flying in the air, yeah. See? And there's like those plants and the neighborhood. Let's get out of that and come to this. This is our sweet home. So here's my dream house. So we have entered my dream house. Okay, so here's my toy box. And it's a very good like structure. And here's a monkey. Come here and see monkey face. Oh, it's like holding this rope and like lining it. It's very costly. And here's some plants here in this big pot. And this is like a garden area. It's all open there. Everything is open. You can see the moon. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but it's very small. The moon is very small. And here's a flamingo statue. It's the flamingo statue. You must have saw the video where we made the flamingo last month or something. Here's some chairs. And here's the stairs to go upside. And here's the roof tiles. Actually, we wanted like some like old-fashioned. So that's why we have some nests here. Here's a nest made of like grass and all. Here's a mud nest, and we put my toy bird in there. Okay, now there's like lots of plants you can see on the stairs here. It's like growing and okay, now for my favorite part of this place, we need the fountain. Actually, we have a real fish. You can see a goldfish. There's a goldfish like walking. I don't know if it's very fast. It's very fast, and here it came at another one. And there is also a blackfish, but it's getting scared. And here's our fountain. It has a pipe and a motor, so if you take the water in the pool, and here is the pipe in this fountain, then after it fills up, it will fall down. Also have this duck we got from Amazon, and this we made out. So it's like they have this pebble thing, and I mean we use some stuff to like do this, and we have the swing. Yes. Also the swing, we only made the swing. Actually, it was like a bed, and we cut out the legs and put it here. There was actually 4 legs. One we used for that lamp. You can see over there. And here's some cans and this lamp we fitted, and in this lamp we fitted another leg of that. There was actually 4, one got lost. So now this is our bed. We can jump, I can sleep, and I can do much more. And here's a window. If you want me to open it, I'll do. Look at that. It's there. outdoors we